Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling. Second announcement for the week 6. We're almost halfway through. Actually, we're over halfway through the course. A lot of great things about that. So, just to give you a heads up, just some announcements to let you know we do have a lot of work to turn in this week. I just posted a reply post, post for discussions today. I know I'm sorry, a little bit behind about that, but I've extended the turn-in time till tomorrow. So if you want to take a look at it as you're turning in your assignments this weekend, and do a quick reply to it, just let me know. I got your back there. But I posted a discussion from a former student, really awesome student. She did a great job. Figured it would be great to see her work and how she did hers, and to give feedback where you need to. So if you need to turn in your discussion post on Sunday tomorrow, that's fine. No big deal. I was a little late on mine. I get it. So it's okay. However, you do have your course projects on Sunday. So you not only have your character body, but you also have the completed for your second assignment, which is a tough assignment. Yeah, it's split into two parts. You have your character head attached to the body using the morphers, and then you're going to use your character bus to make 12 expressions, 10 of them being phonemes. And I figured I'd talk to you about the phonemes right now and what I'm kind of looking for a little bit in detail, and I figured this can help you out over time. So let's talk about that real quick. So yeah, phonemes are technically expressions that add speech, and they add speech to expressions. So a lot of times people make facial expressions. They go in different directions. They give you different personalities, strength, but some are meant to speak words. And these are expressions on a character's face that are trying to form words over time. And phonemes can be matched with expressions to cause emotions, such as horror or happiness. And then you can put phonemes together to create words. And it just adds more to the character's personality, and you can understand what the character's saying, and that's really important. And this was kind of developed not only by reading lips, but also developing how lips are structured, saying different phrases and different letters. And even Disney and certain companies come up with their own phoneme charts based on their stylization for their characters. Disney uses a completely different set of phonemes compared to the base 10 set that we all know that I'm about to show you here in a minute. Disney uses only 9, and they're all based here. And this is how their characters' mouths move on what they say. And these are like the different expressions and the ties for how they look. So I is just very more open. O is very spread out, and it's more exclamated, where O, it's very subtle. It depends on emotions. These are just some different phonemes and by Will Boyer, and they're really good to see how Disney does their phonemes. But the base set of phonemes are right here, and usually a lot of times when you want to record yourself using a phoneme, you want to sound out the word yourself. I would either take a picture of yourself as you're sounding it out or record it, and start with simple words a lot of times, like love or hi or I, even just one letter words, A. That could be a way to go. And there's 10 different versions to how to do this. So for the vowels, there's 5. There's A, where A is very open in a U-shaped style for your mouth. And with I, it kind of flows the same way, but it's more vertical. It's more like a V with how your mouth kind of forms. And those are the two that are different for that. You also have E, where your mouth stretches out. You have a space in between your teeth as you're saying the letter. And O and U, where your mouth puckers up and creates like a circular shape. But with O, it's more open, and U is more smaller and puckered in. But those are the 5 main vowels. And out of the 12 turn-ins for your phonemes, 5 of those should be vowels. And the other 5 should be these 5 consonants. Obviously, C, D, G, K, N, R, S, T, H, the main consonants right here. They're all going to be just your teeth are clenched in, and because if you say C, that's exactly how it's going to look. D, E, D, G, K, they all kind of flow that way. W and Q are just like U, but a little even smaller. M, B, and P, the mouth is closed and just stretched out a little bit. L and sometimes TH, like when you say the, that kind of pops out like that. The tongue is behind the front teeth. You don't see the bottom teeth, and the mouth is open. And then finally F and V, where it looks like you're kind of biting on your bottom lip. Those are the 5 consonants. And then the last 2 ones, I want you just to make a custom expression and then your character winking. That's the 12 character busts I would like to see for that assignment. It's a little tough, but if you mirror them properly, they should be pretty easy to pull off. But yeah, that's how you create phonemes. You just create those letters, and then you can combine them in patterns and create frames with them to do animations with them and form words. And it's really cool how you can pull that off. Now, you can also even go further is to use like consonants to create sound effects. Like if a gas is leaking out of a pipe, you can just do P and F all together, and it just creates that sound, and it works perfectly right there. But that's pretty much it. Just a little bit of heads up on phonemes, what they do. We went over your assignments this week and the due dates and how they're going to work out. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know about that. I'll help you out with that. But that's pretty much it. I hope you have a great weekend. Please let me know if you need anything or have any information for me that I can help you out with. And that's all I got. Be safe. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. And I'll see everybody next week. Have a good one.